Good evening, everyone. Dali, mag-uban ta. Let's explore Voy Bien Walking Street, Saigon. Popular nighttime destination sa mga foreign visitors and locals. Famous og naila as crowded multicultural street, kauban ang mga nagkalain-laing tourists from all over the world. Dili atong makita ang nagkalain-laing street art performances, traditional ug contemporary music shows, mga restaurant, coffee shops, hotels, and bars for nightlife. Dili pud na known si Miss Lea Salonga as Miss Saigon. Thank you and enjoy watching ug magkita-kita ta sa atong next adventure vlog. Good night.